Yo, what a good sexy people. Today, this is something a bit weird, but we are going to be buying a piece of Africa. I own part of Africa! Let's get straight into it. Right, we're on Africa. This is Africa. You can see, this is Africa. There's this new website by the name of Earth2.io, where basically, it's like a real estate market type thing, but it's virtual. So they've got a map of the whole world, and you can buy tiles wherever you want, and a tile accumulates the size of a normal house, and each tile can go up in value depending on the popularity of the area, or you can sell it through the marketplace. I thought it'd be pretty cool, since this is probably going to be trending very soon. Maybe not. I might be wrong, but you never know. Buy a piece of Africa, because who doesn't want a piece of Africa? I would love a piece of Africa. Okay, so, yeah. And I do expect it to be a lot cheaper than probably buying some land in Washington or, you know, Australia. So yeah, I'm going to buy some land. Yeah, let's see how much it is. Let's see what the price varies, and let's see if we can make some money from this. So let's look at North Africa, first of all. More populated, more advanced part of Africa, I think. I don't know, if I'm wrong, let me know. Is there houses? I see roads. There is a little colony or something here. Let's click this button here. Shows us the grid. Okay, a lot of forests. We could buy a forest. That is amazing. Right, let's click one tile. Let's go. And then click it again. This is the piece of land that we have selected. It's in this little village. So it says here, one tile selected. Which if we go to details, it will now calculate our price. And we can see how much it's worth. You know what? I don't think one tile's enough for me. I do want my own little village. Let's buy four. Let's buy 4 tiles in Africa, in a colony, in the middle of nowhere, in between a jungle. Let's see what the price is. Oh, we've got one. We've got it. What's the price? $1.48 for 4 tiles, which is like these houses. That's amazing. It's I don't know. Morocco. It's in Morocco. That's amazing. Let's do it. That's amazing. Let's just do it. Let's do it. Make sure to use my promotional code, by the way, if you actually do buy anything on this website as well. You get added credits if you use my promotional code when you buy something. So you basically put my promotional code, which is on the screen here. You put it in here, and then you get credits which you can use to buy things. It won't let me pay! What do you mean? It's taking forever. Transactional error, are you good? Have I bought it? Have I bought it? Did I buy it? I've bought it, boys. It's came out my account. I've bought it. We've bought Africa. Green, that is mine. That's mine. I own Africa now. I own Africa. Well, some of Africa. I own part of Africa. I can be the African representative. Let us go. I don't think anyone else has bought part of Africa. This is what we have left to conquer. The whole of Africa is left. And we shall buy it eventually. We shall buy what's left. It's loaded! In the meantime, I ate a pot of Nutella, but it was like really small. I had a spoon. I definitely didn't use a spoon, I used my finger. But I'll say, I used a spoon. Yeah. This is my property. 4 tiles worth $1.48. Look at this. Livry, whatever it's called, in Morocco. And we are going to be rich. And we are going to rule Africa. Just like this 1800. Yeah, no, maybe not. Maybe not. Alright, boys. Let me know if I should buy any more places in any more countries. I'll take any suggestions and I'll literally buy anything. Like the video if I should do more things, buy more places on this website. I think it'd be pretty cool. Love to see me owning a quarter of the world. In all honesty, I'll just do a Donald Trump. I'll buy Mexico and I'll build a wall. I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll fucking see you in the next video, boys. Twitter, I have something to announce. I own a part of Africa. You need to name me your leader. Ah!